This is a masterclass in weight removal. I will teach you how to dry cut using the slicing technique. This is a refining skill you can use on most of your commercial salon haircuts to add texture, movement, and to reduce bulk. Today, I will take it to the extreme so you can see how far you can push it. In this tutorial, I will teach you two separate movements working from underneath. This creates shorter lengths underneath, creating graduation under each section, perfect for creating body and shape. Used predominantly in the crown zone. Working from the top will reverse this. This will remove weight whilst pushing the section down, minimizing body. Perfect for flattening shapes. I'm going to diffuse both techniques together to create maximum diffused texture. This is a must-know technique for all advanced haircutters. You can also use this technique side to side, helping to push hair either direction, creating incredible lived-in shapes. Stay tuned for future tutorials. I use soft tension when holding my section. I place my scissor into my section, directing my blades back towards me before I slice cut to remove weight. You can take fine or really thick sections depending on the result you would like. Different size blades will give you different results. For maximum bulk removal, you can work close to the root in the underneath sections. As I work up the head shape, I tend to remove weight halfway through my section and eventually 3/4 up my section. It really depends on the result you want and the hair density you are working with. I use this technique to refine most of my haircuts, personalizing it to every individual's hair type. Sometimes I use my small 5-inch scissors in fine hair textures. This technique is perfect for all layered haircuts, including bobs and pixies. If you are cutting a super textured pixie or mullet, you do have the freedom to use this technique to cut the whole shape. Let me know in the comments below what refining and personalizing techniques you like to use. If this tutorial feels too advanced, don't worry. Check out my other tutorials covering the basics, classic techniques, color, and styling. There's something for every skill level to help you grow your confidence and expertise. You won't need to refine the shape at the end because this technique does this as you go. Let me know in the comments below if you have learned something new and if you would like to see more content like this. We continue this process throughout every zone, working visually to create a very textured, diffused, layered pixie mullet shape. This technique can be used on all hair textures, curly and straight. The other types of hair I avoid using this technique is fine hair texture. If you haven't already, I'd appreciate if you liked and subscribed to my channel. To help support the growth of my channel will help me to promote and create more content like this. The method I'm using now is a technique called channel cutting. This technique involves placing one blade of your scissors flat against the scalp, then slowly opening and closing them as you glide through the section. Channel cutting removes weight, adds texture and softness to a lived-in look. It's perfect for blending layers, refining shapes, and adding movement, especially in shorter haircuts like pixies or bobs or mullets. Work deliberately for precision and you'll see how this technique can transform your haircutting game. I'm using a point cutting technique with the overcomb method to continue to blend and connect my shape as I work throughout the haircut. Refining and personalizing a haircut is what takes it from good to great. When a haircut isn't refined or personalized, it looks unfinished or generic. The shape might be there, but it lacks the details that make it truly suit the client's hair texture, head shape and style. Refining involves polishing the edges, blending transitions, and addressing weight distribution. Personalizing goes further. It's about tailoring the cut to the individual, whether it's softening a fringe, removing bulk in the heavy areas, or enhancing movement where it's needed. Skipping this step can leave the haircut looking flat, heavy, or disconnected. Refining and personalizing gives it character, precision, and bespoke finish that sets your work apart. Subscribe to the channel to level up your skills with expert techniques, insider tips, and step-by-step tutorials designed for beginners or advanced hairdressers who want to master their craft. Don't miss out, hit that subscribe button and start creating your best work today. This is my slice cut pixie mullet haircut. And if you liked this tutorial, you're going to love this one next. Thanks for watching.